Listen up. You keep waiting for the crowd. You keep looking for someone to help you. You keep hoping someone will save you. Stop. You have to accept a hard truth. No one is coming to save you. You are your only hope. This might sound hard. It might even feel scary, but I promise you, it is the greatest moment of freedom you will ever feel. Because when you know you are alone in the fight, the strongest part of you finally comes out. This is where the real work begins. Too many of you are hiding. You are burying your talent under what other people think. You let other people decide what makes you good enough. You let the noise of the world stop your inner voice. You call that safe. I call it lying to yourself. It's time to face your fears. You feel misunderstood, but you are not. You are simply choosing a life that is different, and that scares the people around you. That is their problem, not yours. The uncertainty you feel is not a wall. It is the place where great things happen. It forces you to look inside. It forces you to find the raw power and strength that is sleeping inside you. What makes you special is not how fast you run, but your will to look fear in the eye, push through the pain, and keep moving. Your path shows your true spirit, ready to be let out. It is easy to feel too stressed by the heavy load you must carry alone. Making decisions about your future seems impossible when you look at the whole challenge. Stop focusing on the challenge. Every big success, every major win, every dream achieved comes from many small steps. Do not let the size of the task freeze you with fear. Focus only on the step you can control right now, the next small choice. You need to make a plan. Break it down into small goals. Take the first step. The rest will follow naturally. This journey is only yours. You choose the speed. You choose the way. Your small daily actions create your future. This is the main idea of the Japanese philosophy, Ataoato, which means step by step. Great things are not built in one day. They are built through continuous, hard, focused effort. The power is in your hands. You are stronger than you think. But strength is not a feeling. It is a decision you make every single day. Every sunrise is a test. Will you rise with it? Every repetition is a brick. Will you build with it? Every single choice is your word saying, I am here. I will not quit. You feel stuck, but you are not. You feel defeated, but you are not. You are ready. You are ready because you have been preparing for this time your whole life. You have learned lessons, faced problems, and now you have the tough mind needed to win. You have the strong mindset. You have the clear focus. Now is the time to test everything you have learned. Now is the time to show the world what you have. Now is the time to succeed. Greatness is a daily action. Keep rising little by little. If you are ready to stop walking alone yet still refuse to join the crowd, then join the community that understands this truth. Hit that subscribe button and let's keep building this strength, step by step.